just finished our second show and now we have to find place to eat. It's almost 5 p.m. Albacore, sushi and salmon, guys.
Check out Sugarfish. If you're on the East Coast, West Coast, anywhere in between.
Reality of Fashion Week. It's our first day.
Yep.
First time ever.
And if it keeps up at this pace, I will probably die. But you know what? It's okay and it's worth it. It's love.
Is it gonna be a lot of time, free time during Fashion Week? It depends on how many shows you will be attending. But so far, first day we did 2. And it's not a lot of free time.
No, it's doable.
Doable. And guess what, guys? It's raining outside. Looks like light rain right now.
See how it goes. This is
Right when I decided to do my hair, makeup for the show and pictures. I want subway pictures today. Plan to do subway pictures. What are you making today? Coffee?
Alex only drinks cappuccino, so if you ever want to impress her, make her a cappuccino.
Subway time, guys. Guys, also I wanted to say that it's very, very hot here. David trying to figure it out because we screenshotted our instructions last night. Yes. So it looks like we will be at the right place. And we tried to take some pictures. We will try on the way back more. Just trying to see how it's gonna all work. If it would not be for Trip Planner, we would never make it here.
Not at all.
Yeah, I googled plan a trip in New York and tripplanner.com came up. It's not advertisement, don't think about it. No, seriously, it was so helpful. Otherwise we would never make it here. Super excited. Can't wait to watch the show. Couple big lines, but it's all worth it, guys. I'm super excited to go upstairs and watch the show on the roof. Work in progress. Check it out, guys. Oh my god. Such a nice view. We got lucky and as you can see it stopped raining for a little bit. And check out this view, guys. It was an amazing show. We met Miss USA, Miss Universe. We took pictures. You can see them on my Instagram page. So thankful that I was able to attend with David and we can't wait for the next year. So we're in line right now to take some amazing videos and post it on our stories or Instagram pages. And right after we're planning to go and have lunch. And while standing in line we got invited to another show. So drink time right now. Grand Couture. I actually tried this one before. So a little bit of both. Networking and drinks before the talks, the future of fashion and luxury. Ready to watch it? just finished our second show, and now we have to find place to eat. Finally. It's almost 5 p.m.
But it's perfect time and lighting to take pictures.
Yes.
Make it really quick.
Yes.
Maybe a hot dog.
And then maybe come back here.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sugarfish, nothing but the best.
Edamame. Ginger. I love ginger, guys. I love it so much. Yes. Looks so good. Tuna sashimi, guys. Next is toro, handmade roll. Looks so good. Albacore sushi and salmon, guys. So good.
Your favorite so far?
I like first tuna. It was tuna sashimi, and then I liked what was it? Salmon sushi.
I like the total hand roll. The fatty tuna, so good. The crunchy seaweed, must try. Check out Sugarfish. If you're on the East Coast, West Coast, anywhere in between, there's only a few, so make sure to check it out.
Next one, blue and Dungeness crab hand roll. Check it out, so good. So baby, you have to say it.
Oh, you gotta tell me twice. Probably my favorite.
Yeah. Definitely so, yeah.
So this is a mixture between blue soft shell crab and Dungeness crab. So you have those sweet, buttery, flaky characteristics from Dungeness crab, and then the tenderness from the blue soft shell crab. Such a good one.
So guys, we just left Sugarfish sushi. It was amazing, yummy. I enjoyed it. Now time to do some street shots and also make it to 7 p.m. show.
And then we're taking subway pictures.
Yes.
Metro.
Reality of Fashion Week. It's our first day.
Yep.
First time ever.
And if it keeps up at this pace, I will probably die. But you know what? It's okay and it's worth it for her.
Enjoy.
That's love.
Ask me about, is it gonna be a lot of time, free time during Fashion Week? It depends on how many shows you will be attending. But so far, first day we did 2. And it's not a lot of free time.
No. Especially
if you don't have your private driver.
Yep.
If you're taking public transportation, it's definitely not a lot of free time.
But it's fun.
It's fun, definitely fun.
I like taking the metro.
Yes, metro was fun.
It was also my first time, so.
Subway, yeah. We're gonna take more pictures in subway, and also if one show in different location, you have to plan for that because it might take like 40 minutes or so to get there. Yeah.
It's doable.
Doable. We got lucky that we had 2 shows at the same location. And now at 7 p.m. it's gonna be same location, so we're not far away. Not far away at all. Hey guys, so at 7 p.m. it's gonna be another show starting at 7 p.m.
Longest day ever.
Yeah, today's the longest.
Day 1 of 5.
Yeah. So we're just gonna go for a walk, get coffee, recharge, and we will be back to you guys. We found our way. Yeah.
Getting the hang of this subway system.